Hello, everyone. I would like to introduce Matsumoto Castle in Nagano Prefecture. The castle, also called Karasu Castle, English translation by Crow Castle because of its black lacquered exterior, was originally Fukashi Castle built in 1504 and was rebuilt by Ishikawa Kazumasa in 1590. The view from the 5-story castle tower is spectacular and offers beautiful scenery with the Alps in the background. Please visit when you come to Japan. Matsumoto Castle is also known as Karasu because of its beautiful black painted exterior. However, it was not only beautiful, but also served as a solid military facility. Matsumoto Castle is one of Japan's most famous flat castles, with a deep history dating back to the Sengoku period. The castle seen today was built between 1592 and 1594. It represents the best of the castle building techniques of the period and features a large 5-story, 6-story keep. The keep has an imposing appearance with eye-catching black plaster and board-covered outer walls. The keep is also surrounded by a series of smaller towers, watchtowers, and corner turrets, forming a complex structure. Matsumoto Castle's defensive facilities are also superb, with moats, stone walls and earthworks cleverly arranged and designed to effectively block intruders. The paths to the castle keep are as complex as a labyrinth, designed to make it difficult for the enemy to reach the castle. Holes, called sama, are provided in the ramparts and serve as points from which to attack the enemy with guns and arrows. Matsumoto Castle has survived the wars of the Warring States period and has been preserved to the present day. In 1993, it was designated an important cultural property of Japan, recognizing its historical value. It was also inscribed on UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites in 2004, and is recognized for its well-preserved condition. In spring, the cherry blossoms bloom, creating a beautiful contrast with the keep. Matsumoto Castle continues to attract visitors not only for its historical value, but also for its beautiful scenery. How was your visit? We hope you enjoyed the charm and history of Matsumoto Castle. Next time, we will introduce Osaka Castle. Please click the like button and share this video with your friends so that we can encourage them to make videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of the latest Japanese tourist information.